way, nigga. Turn my way, nigga. Fucking all my way, nigga. Yeah. Biggest nigga. Step on niggas. Woo. I'm your first time getting a car. Another nigga bought it. My first time with a car. Nigga, you know that bitch that car.
What it do, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be doing a POV night drive in the Hellcat, man. As y'all can see, I got the red key right here. About to start it up real quick. I know y'all hear that. Got the stars, man. With the YouTube on it, 1,200 stars. With the YouTube, y'all know we going global soon, man. Y'all, shout out to all my supporters. I appreciate y'all. Got an SRT light on the steering wheel, y'all know that. Throw it in track mode real quick. SRT. I'm about to hit a tunnel real quick for y'all. First thing I'm gonna do is hit that tunnel for y'all. About to put the window down. That thing sound crazy down the tunnel, y'all. Comment W tunnel pull for me real quick right now. Take the time out to comment. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Appreciate everybody who here, everybody who will be and who ain't here yet. I don't mind the damn turn signal, bro. Can't even trust Challengers nowadays. I've been seeing Challengers. Steering wheel go crazy. I see you, Brody. Brody trying to honk on me on his scooter. I see you, bro. You good? Y'all comment down below if y'all like y'all downtown in y'all city, if y'all even have one. I know some cities out here don't even have a downtown, y'all. Shout out to y'all for being able to live without it, man. 'Cause I'm gonna keep it a buck. I don't even be out here that much, to be honest. So, and it's small. We literally just went through the whole downtown. not mistaken. So, yeah. Y'all, let me know if I should go catless on my cat. Cause what I did is there's a cop behind me. Is he chasing me? Am I getting pulled over, y'all? Yo, 2 cops just ran the red light. What is going on, y'all? Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I thought I was cooked. Y'all. I thought it was over with. Okay, I'm about to see what's... Low key, I think I shouldn't even. I'm gonna keep on going. What y'all think police doing at this hour, y'all? It's 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, something like that. They're everywhere. Another one right next to me, y'all. Downtown too hot. I think I'm gonna get up out of here. Oh, that's a cool tunnel, y'all. Try to zoom in real quick and show y'all. It's a cool tunnel in there. Dude just ran the red light, turned his lights on. Yeah, nah, bro, something going on. Get me out of here, bro. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm getting up out of here. I don't like the vibe at all. I've seen about 4 feds. Time to go to bed. I really could have been a rapper, y'all. I know y'all like that bar. Ugh. Oh, shit. Y'all, being on Lowering Springs is hell, man. Anybody that tells you otherwise, don't listen to them. Every time you go over like a bump or even a sewer, whatever those things are called, don't flame me, y'all. Y'all know what I mean. Those things that are on the ground. Yo, bro. My car feels like something just came off of it. Do not enter. So where the fuck do I enter? Yeah, I'm getting right back home. Oh snap! I'm gonna hit that tunnel for y'all. Hold up, never mind. I'm gonna hit that tunnel for y'all. Ooh, I'm gonna definitely hit that tunnel for y'all before I go. Got the doors open? Is that a door open? I was about to say, bro. What is going on? One last pull, because it seemed like the police got other worries today. Do one last little pull in the tunnel, y'all. Then I'm going to hit the highway. Get up out of here. I don't even want to do my research on what's going on. Feds everywhere. I'll pull for y'all real quick. Window down. Had to do that for y'all real quick, man. Now I'm out of here. Believe that. I am out of here. Completely. I'm gonna bust a left. That sound crazy. Yeah, I'm out of downtown though. Believe that. I'm on the highway. Yeah, y'all, I did not know it got that crazy. Seen 4 cops. They lights on. One of them literally turned their lights on across a light. That shit was crazy. All stunts are done in Mexico. A quick disclaimer. This is not real. All of this is fiction. And this is all AI generated, y'all. AI getting crazy. Keep it a buck. None of this y'all seeing is real right now. Just letting y'all know that. But yeah, y'all, ain't nothing really much on the highway. I'm probably wrap this up. Head home. It's like 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Just hit 1 on the Dodge thing, but I don't even know if that's right. But yeah, regardless, it's late, y'all. I made sure I got this video for y'all. I hope y'all appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm gonna keep grinding. If y'all like this content, make sure y'all show me love so I can keep on posting more. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep on posting more regardless, you know what I'm saying? But y'all show me love, it really helps out, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all that does. So thank you. Like I said one more time, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, man, and peace.
You bought it this bitch.
Pull off in that cool. Nigga think I hit the booze, I'm headed to the booth. Getting loot, that's what I do. Might slide up on your bitch. Tell ya I'm a smooth dude. These niggas telling lies, but baby, you know I'm the truth. Can't wait till I